Some herbs soothe, some herbs warm, but a few herbs do something more. They help cleanse, protect, and support the respiratory system all at once. Thyme is one of them, often overlooked as just a kitchen herb, yet traditionally valued for cough, congestion, and chest discomfort. Today, we explore thyme, what makes it unique, what research suggests, and how it may support respiratory wellness. Thyme, scientifically known as Thymus vulgaris, belongs to the Lamiaceae family. What makes thyme distinct is its strong aromatic profile and concentrated volatile oils. Unlike many soothing herbs, thyme is often selected when there is heaviness, mucus buildup, or microbial involvement. The primary compounds in thyme include thymol and carvacrol. These natural compounds have been studied for their antimicrobial and antioxidant activity. This is one reason thyme is often grouped among herbs traditionally used during respiratory infections. In traditional herbal practice, thyme has been used to support productive cough, chest congestion, throat irritation, and bronchial discomfort. It is often prepared as a tea or used in steam inhalation. Its warming and aromatic nature makes it particularly useful during cold and damp conditions. Modern research has examined thyme and its extracts. Studies suggest antimicrobial activity against certain bacteria and fungi, antioxidant properties that may help reduce oxidative stress, and potential effects on respiratory pathogens in laboratory settings. Thyme has been used to determine its efficacy. For example, thyme extract and primrose were used jointly to determine how well it destroyed bacteria. A component of thyme oil called thymol contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Both primrose oil and thyme oil showed positive effects in alleviating cough and dyspnea. Thyme extract has been shown to kill bacteria more quickly than antibiotic drugs when treating tonsillitis due to its anti-inflammatory properties. While these findings are promising, thyme should be viewed as supportive, not a replacement for medical care. To prepare thyme tea, add 1 teaspoon dried thyme to hot water. Steep for 10 minutes. For steam inhalation, add thyme in hot water, cover the head carefully, and inhale gently. Always use caution to avoid burns. This gentle herb called thyme is often combined with other herbs to create balanced formulas. For example, mullein for soothing, licorice for mucosal support, and ginger for warming circulation. Each herb plays a different role, working together rather than alone. Thyme is generally safe in culinary and moderate herbal use. However, concentrated essential oil should not be ingested without supervision, and excessive use may irritate sensitive tissues. As always, use herbs responsibly. To summarize, thyme is an aromatic herb traditionally used for respiratory support. Its natural compounds have been studied for antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. It is commonly used in tea, steam, and herbal blends. Our thought for today is, a merry heart doeth good like a medicine. Proverbs 17 verse 22. Health is not only physical, it is also emotional and spiritual. If you would like educational resources that expand on today's topic, you're invited to join our free resource library. Free members receive access to our respiratory disease prevention guide, along with printable tools and wellness educational materials. You can sign up for free at HEALMSinstitute.org. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so you do not miss any future episodes.